Hi to all. Today we are going to make mushroom tikka in Hamare style. For that, take some fresh mushrooms. Now add some turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt as per taste. Mix it well. Now we are going to prepare batter. For that, take 5 to 6 spoons of corn flour and 2 to 3 spoons of all-purpose flour. Now add red chili powder, salt as per taste. Add little bit of water and mix it well. Add water slowly to avoid lumps. So now our batter is ready. Take oil in a pan. Now dip mushroom in a batter and fry in a oil at low to medium flame until it turn into crispy brown from all the sides. Now you can take them out. Here our mushroom tikka is ready. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve with tomato sauce. Thank you.